Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide sections in Elementor. So for example, you don't want this section, this whole section, well, this whole container to be visible. So for example, let's choose this one maybe, and we don't want to see this, for example, on mobile. So all you have to do while you choose this, you want to go click Advanced. Let's turn off this layout, and where you see responsive, you can actually go ahead and hide it on desktop, hide it on mobile, and so on and so forth. So I'm just gonna click, for example, on mobile, and after that, this won't be visible on mobile. Or you can also turn this off everywhere if you don't want to see it for some time. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.